Hello friends, welcome and good evening to all of you in our advanced spoken English classes. This is Sally Blair. Thank you very much for giving us this golden opportunity. Today we would like to perform a group discussion and our topic is online and offline education, which is best. By the way guys, my name is Kanak Singh and her name is?
My name is Nandini.
And her
My
name
name is Roja.
And her
And my name is Rishika.
His name is? And we are students of advanced spoken English classes in Sally Blair. So without wasting any time, let's start.
Okay, we are now discuss about the topic of online and offline education. So, firstly, I recommend to ma'am that she start and tell us about online education and its advantages.
Yes, ma'am, please start.
According to me, sir, the online education has started from the mostly it is began.
Corona
It was
time.
began from 2019 when COVID was came. So at that time, the students were not came out from their houses and they couldn't learn couldn't go to school at that time. Uh, on that time, the online classes were started.
Yes, I am agree with this because in COVID-19 pandemic, online learning came as a game changer. So because of that, student didn't stop studying. So it is very beneficial to students.
Yes, I am also preferring in online study because in online study, if we are not able to go in Corona time outside, so we can not miss our school classes. We can do online education.
Yes, we have many apps in online, so we can study very nicely, and our teachers also teach us very nicely in COVID, so we can't stop studying from them.
But offline study is also good before Corona time. In online study, children are while taking class they are playing games, watching cartoons. These things are also happening in online classes. It also distract the eyes of children also.
You are right. You are telling right, but there are advantages and disadvantages both in online classes.
Yes, in my view, both are equal, but I think offline is more good.
Yes, I think also offline
The,
is
the
good.
online classes
I would
advantages sir will tell.
as I think, I
about.
would like to tell something else. Education system is fully based on our concentration, and a person who concentrate us and he dedicate us, also known as a teacher, he is available in offline system.
Yes.
And online system which we read, teacher cannot judge or cannot observe the students. So distractions part of our mind is occurs at this condition. So this is the major thing.
In my view, in online learning, student focus more.
Yes, I would like
As
to say
compared
something
to-
that same thing that in online system we should take more carefully and patientfully we should be.
Yes, I think students are more focused, but teacher cannot judge
Cannot observe and cannot judge.
individuals. Yes,
Yes, right.
that's the problem.
But I would say that in online study, the children are focused, but like their mother is calling that you had done this work or not. The children will close the camera and go to do this work. In that time, the teacher is teaching that. the teacher cannot observe the student is he or she is watching, listening or not.
Yes,
It
you
is
are
totally depends on students, because every teacher has to concentrate in online class, because teachers and principals both are active in online
Yes,
classes,
but
students are very naughty children. They are not obeyed. They were not obeyed.
But in my view,
teacher.
if children is also naughty, in offline study, in offline education, the children are going to school. They have to also study and sitting on their place. If
Yes,
naughty
yeah,
girl
I
or
agree.
boys.
Yes.
According to me, online class and offline class, both,
Both.
I prefer offline class, because students are very well disciplined in offline classes.
Two major things I would like to say. Point is that most of the students are facing their teenagers age, and at this age, uh, he fast distracted by many things, like pop-up messages, Facebook, and extra things which
And
we
many more
found in
games
offline
are
Yeah.
online mode.
social
So
media.
distractions part is major. Second thing is that I also come here to attend offline class because it is my routine, and without making strong discipline, I would not able to learn English.
Yes.
Yes,
Learning is
Yes.
the way I
With
say it
offline
also,
class.
Offline class
class.
make us more disciplined.
The offline class is also good in they have to go in that timing to school and they had to study there. They can't go outside to play or not have mobiles to game.
But it
The-
is harmful for children, because there is very long time screen time, so their eyesight will.
The way I see-
It affects our eye, it affects our brain, it affects our
Yes,
listening
yes.
capacity, it affects
I
our
agree
focus.
with you.
So many things
But
which
also
we
there
face.
are some advantage like time management, and it is affordable for all.
Yes.
In offline classes they have routine to go there.
Yes, the way I see.
And there are other many curriculum activities
Yes.
are
Yes,
there, like
the
library and playground
Playground.
and
The way I see.
teachers and student coordination, that is must.
Yes.
So
The way I
online, offline class is
Yes,
very
one
important
more
for
benefit
children.
of the offline class is also interaction
Yes.
between teachers and
And
students,
Yes.
and interaction between classmates, interaction between all students, one another.
Yes, the way I see in offline classes, there is many advantages. Like children know how to talk with each other. They are discussing with their friends. Any topic ma'am is teaching, if they are having doubt, they tell to their friend, and then if he and she will ask or his friend will ask. There is also. But in online classes, if he is afraid, then he will take his doubt and take away. He will not clear that in online classes.
In my point of view, online class is a more cheap
Yes,
than
affordable
than
for all.
affordable than offline class, because transportation cost can be removed,
Yes.
Yes.
But
and
Right.
many
is,
offers also
in
not
online
for
class.
all.
we found.
It is not for all.
It
In
is
online
Some,
yes.
we can also
poor class
search.
families, they can't understand about it. What is
Yes,
online
sir.
classes and what is social media, they can't.
I think in today's generation, everyone
Now,
knows
at that
what is
time,
online classes.
most of people don't know about what is online classes.
Yes,
and how can we
in online classes there is also some distraction, like if network has gone, your
Yes.
yes, like this problem are facing in online classes. If in that area we are living, if the your Wi-Fi is full but the network issue is there here and there,
But in
so it
online
is
classes, we can also learn by seeing many videos on YouTube and
yes,
many
it
apps
is.
are there.
cannot decide. Sometimes the students cannot decide that what they should choose and how
It
to
is-
choose, and
We have
they
any doubts,
distracted.
so we can.
But
I
in
think it is good for only teenagers and adults only, not for children. From 3 years to 10 years, this is not good for children.
Yes.
Because they are not
Focused
attentive.
on-
They are not attentive in all
yes,
these
they
things.
are
Yes,
playing
many
here.
many
there.
They
points
began
are
to play.
Yes,
They
they
began
are
to play
because
with-
they are very active now. But teachers are controlling them by their power. But in home they are very active, so they are
Yeah,
going to
right.
play.
Yes, many points we are looking, that point of transportation, point of teenagers, and point of many agendas are available in this matter. Why,
And
how we
also
choose?
in online classes, student can learn in their comfort zone only by sitting, by lying on bed,
Yes.
whatever
Yes,
they want to do.
yes.
But
In
in school, when children
they have
go
to
school,
sit in proper manner,
Yes,
in
in school
proper
they
way.
Yes, they choose their environment in online
They
class.
came to-
Yes.
They choose their own environment.
Yes.
But
How
in
to arrange
school,
my
they
room
have to sit
and
in
then
well
sit.
place.
But offline class, they
Have to sit in
हाँ,
proper
they have
manner.
to sit in
They
proper
come
classroom
to school
environment,
in proper uniform,
which is provided by
and
the
which is discipline.
honor of the classroom
Yeah.
or
Discipline
teachers.
is must.
I think in offline classes there is equality as
Yes.
compared to online
Online
classes,
classes.
because all have to wear uniform also, and
Yes.
All have to do same work.
same work in class.
And in online
No,
classes,
all the places are not required same uniform, like we are now
In a
studying.
particular student
But in
school,
schools,
School
schools
time,
are
School.
must. This is
schools are
must.
necessary in offline class
yes,
because
about
they are
school I'm saying.
their pattern
Because
is different.
yes, because of it is a school, so they have to show their uniform, color, dress, so this that identify the other student that the uniform of this school, he is going to school, not
He
to
belong to school.
yes, he is belong to this school and he is going to study in the school, not for going any other places. That's why only the uniform is required in school.
What do you say about, sir, disadvantage of offline classes? Can you say about this?
Disadvantages of offline class.
classes, not online.
Disadvantages of offline class is we choose only one courses at the same time.
Same,
Yes.
right.
And the same thing in online class, we choose many courses through online class and we have better time management and save our time through taking online.
Yes.
Yes, it is. I am
So,
also
time
agreed.
management and course
Yes.
choosing is also the major thing in
And also
Yes.
Online.
It is
And
very
offline
expensive
Yes,
also.
and the
yes.
same thing which I already mentioned, that transportation.
Transportation
Yes,
and
same thing is
and
also
the fees are
disadvantage
very
of-
high, sir.
School
Yes.
fees very
Very
high and feedback of offline class is a very delay because
Yes.
many students are giving their response and different time. But in online class, the media is very high and they are immediate effect and immediate they give their feedback.
Feedback, right.
Yes, and we all see the feedback in our online screen. So that is a major disadvantage of offline class. Ma'am.
In my view, online when student give test, school children give test in online, they can cheat
Yes,
because
they
no
are.
one is seeing. But in offline class, under the teacher,
And camera were also.
The
teachers,
way I-
students cannot cheat.
The way I see in
This is the
online.
depend- This is the depend online test is a depend upon the organizer.
Yes.
that where you are giving your exam.
If students
In,
like
yes.
Minute of the exam,
In online classes, their parents also have them to cheat. They're showing the notebook that you will get good marks. So their parents also show sometime. They write on the blackboard that this is the answer of this question, and the children write this answer in their notebook. And they can also while opening the camera they can also back and search the answer in YouTube and Google. But in offline classes, if he is cheating also and teacher cannot find, the other children or his enemy can tell to teacher, ma'am, he is cheating or she is cheating. Their enemies also.
What is good, offline or online?
I
Say
think
something.
offline is all
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Both are important, depend upon our circumstances, that how old we are, and
Yes,
what
yes.
is our requirement, and how many courses we should choose, and and what is my future objective and my time.
I think
So
online
various
classes.
circumstances
Yes,
is
yes.
affecting
Yes.
these things.
Yes. It is depend upon
The situation that what we should choose.
I think online classes is not for children.
Yes, it is
not
for
for
elder.
It is for college
Yes,
students.
I agree with your
Children
point.
should go offline classes only for their physical body. and
Yes,
also
in school
extra
there-
Online is a very
And they will
important
become social.
for one more thing,
Yes.
that social distancing is also
Yeah.
mentioned, because pandemic time we already experienced
Yes, yes.
that the social distancing is very important. However, we are not facing the corona like any pandemic, but maybe the situations.
But I see that in online classes, student get to become introvert. They
Yeah,
stop
you are right.
socializing.
Yes, I am also agree
Yes,
to
yes.
you.
But in online class they
Their
can't
social
say.
activities
Yes.
collapsed
Yes.
at that
But
time.
And
yes, and one more benefit of offline classes, that we get more confident.
yes, we are confident to
Yes,
in
after
front of
interaction,
teacher.
with our classmates and teachers,
Yes.
more confident. But in online classes, we
We
cannot
are
build up
not.
our confidence.
Because we
For
can
example, here we are gathered
doing
here and
can-
Yes,
Talk.
we are if we
We learning from online we
yes,
can't.
if we
do
learn
this.
Yeah.
English in online classes, then we cannot build
we
up our,
cannot do,
confidence.
because we can also speak to close our camera, and then after that we can speak if we are happy to
Like
find
we
see.
don't want, we
Yes.
can switch off.
Yes.
Yes,
that is not
but
enough for
in
us.
school we have to, first of all we have to stand, then after that everyone see us, then we give the answer. That time we are very confident after giving many answers.
In
And
school
maintaining-
and teachers also teach us
And
very
we
good
are,
behavior, how to
Yes,
behave.
and
Yes.
maintaining of discipline is also very difficult in online class, because
Yes.
they have
Yes.
facility of download, and you can see after sometimes or even
Yeah.
many times.
Sir,
So discipline
my
is,
net
not-
completed. I
not
can't
maintained by online.
Net issue.
attend the classes.
Yes.
These are the problems
Were in
at
online
that time
classes.
they are facing. They were
Yes.
facing.
So, what you all think? Online classes are better or offline?
No,
I
I
think-
not agree with that. Offline class is not good for
No,
kids.
yes,
Online
I will
classes,
say
yes,
I would
online
say that both are good, but it's depend to the student. If he or she is good, then if he is not while studying, he is not doing anything, he is sitting in proper manner, using table and chair,
But
he
they're
is
not doing it at
yes,
online.
yes.
You know, you be human have habit of procrastination. We are
Yes,
so lazy.
that's why only the school is made and offline education is good. That's why only.
The offline classes is, it is traditional.
Yeah.
From ancient time, it is coming
Offline
from
class.
there.
Yes, it is so
Offline
And
traditional.
also, student take
At the
more
time
interest
of
in offline
Gurukuls.
classes as
Yes,
compared to
yes.
online classes.
You know that?
No, I will not.
Yes, yes, I know.
Excuse me,
prefer,
I will
offline
not
classes.
agree to you, because you had said that in online classes children are
Yes, one-
very interested.
No, no, in offline classes they take
Yeah,
more interest.
but I
You are
isn't
doing
I am in favor of point which madam said.
Yes, I also
That
agree with you.
yes,
Yeah.
our civilization time and our traditional time when gurukuls was in existence, then we learn to how to respect our seniors, teachers. But
Yeah, I
in
will
online
also
classes-
agree.
in online classes, this is not occurs.
Yes, we are not doing that.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Both are good at
Okay.
type of
Yes, both
situation.
are good. Both are good, but
In
situation
different circumstances,
circumstances.
offline is other time and online
Online
is
is
only
Yes.
I think in offline we have to join class in proper manner in on time, and in offline classes also we have to go to school on time, but the way we sit and we study both are different. In offline classes we can sit in comfort manner, that we are lying on the bed and doing doing our classes but in school we have to sit in prop. If a student is also not good, he will also see other student and he will also study like this and sit straight. If he is also not comfort to sit, he will also see others and sit that only. The friend circle also depend on the study. If the friends are saying that no we can chat on or in online classes, if the friend circle is this in very advanced way,
Yes,
then the
classes
friends
are going on and
they are chatting each other.
You are right.
They are making a group and they are chatting. All are giving their advance and disadvance. But if friend circle is in offline classes, that we will sit. I will sit in
I
this
also
row.
see that in online classes, students are pranking teachers
Yes.
and other students.
Yeah,
They are
you are
disturbing
right.
or spamming.
Yeah,
chats
that
or-
also.
Yes, that's also a problem in online.
That's
We
if
should
any
give, respect to elders or
Yes.
and
in
teachers also.
online classes
Yes.
there is one.
Minus less activities.
Yes, are more in online.
Yes.
Yes.
But in school
Yes,
we
it's
have
not.
manners.
And during my 12th classes, there was a pandemic, COVID pandemic. I see that in half yearly exam, there is a split system in mobiles and also in computers.
Yeah,
You know
in
that.
the exam time, half yearly or final exam time, they are taking two phones. One is their mother phone and one is their father phone. From one phone, they are searching the answer, and one from they are opening their screen and showing the teacher that I am writing, and our parents also sitting near us. They help us to cheat, and they are sitting. They will not, because teacher think that their parents will not help them to do, but the parents is seeing the question, and one mother will see in book, searching in book that answer, and father will search in her Google in YouTube.
Yes. In online class we divert our subject, na?
Yeah,
Again and again.
Yes.
Oftenly we
but in
see-
offline classes.
But in offline classes we decided that we should read this
At
topic
that time.
and that time. So
In
there is a
offline
discipline-
classes,
discipline is
the
maintained.
PTI is also roaming here and there, that rounding on every classes, that anyone is cheating and teacher is writing on the blackboard. That also happened, and our principal ma'am and other dignitaries also roaming here and there. If any teacher is teaching properly or not, that is also there in school in offline classes.
Right. Yes.
So we all prefer
To
offline
offline classes.
Yes.
I prefer offline
Yes,
classes.
Yes, I
Do you
also.
agree with me?
Yes, I also agree.
that's all.
Okay,
That's all
in this
about.
discussion we prefer offline
Offline
classes.
classes.
In this
So,
discussion, we are selecting offline classes is more good than offline classes.
classes.
So selecting this, we are closing our discussion. So that's all about our conversation. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
chatterbox. She is very chatterbox.
Dana